With everything that's going on, we still rapping and sing about sex, money, murder. That's pathetic.
I couldn't sleep for days, justice be calling me. I couldn't sleep for days, freedom ain't calling me. I couldn't sleep for days, the soul of the slave ain't calling. I couldn't sleep for days, justice be calling me. I couldn't
For so many years now we have lost our ways. Blind with greed, lost head, treated envy. We have been lied, enslaved, sell our soul over some fucking bread. And yet, our blood's spread like a riverbed. We've been waiting for God, it seems like it's caught in traffic. Meanwhile, my soul and spirit need the fucking paramedic. There's no swing around it, everything is systematic. Look, we live, we die, we laugh and cry. Same group of people, men still getting all the pies. Listen, did we forget how far we came? I'm saying, did we forget this is not a game? Protect the human rights, the body makes you look again. Remember Harriet, Rosa Parks, Malcolm X, Stalin, and Dr. King. Hope everything they done so far wasn't just a vain. We put much shit to boost with dysfunctionality. We bury ourselves alive gradually. Come on, we have been enslaved, folks mentally. It's time to rise back. I know this shit won't be easy, cause while we're divided, can't get along. The oligarchy form an alliance. The last thing we need on this modern days for them suckers to get a compliance. We can't just sit there, the visions are set. It's doing our little the bull. We need to join hands and rise together if we want a better tomorrow.
From the prodigious hilltops of New Hampshire, let freedom reign. From the mighty mountains of New York, let freedom reign.
Justice be calling me. I couldn't sleep for days, freedom ain't calling me. I couldn't sleep for days, the soul of the slave ain't calling. I couldn't sleep for days, justice be calling me. I couldn't sleep for days. The Indian